Starting in production, you get to see basically the heart of what we do. You know, we're building machines that people see all over the world.
We've got multiple assembly lines going across the floor, and everyone has assigned stations where in station 1, you've got basically almost a bare cabinet, and around through about 15 stations, you have a fully operational slot machine exiting the line.
People at IGT is very professional, they're helpful. I think that makes the environment great.
We work as a family. We work together.
Collaboration is just about everything because I can't get my work done without 5 other departments touching our product.
You've got quality, you've got the supervisors, you've got multiple production lines. You know, we're constantly going back and forth and getting information and feeding off of each other. We all work really hard to find new, better ways to improve processes, to ultimately make our customers happier with the product that we're producing.
At IGT, I work with a diverse group of people. The best part of working with a diverse group is you learn more from their experiences.
What I love most about my job is I learn something every day.
The main thing we're looking for is people who are humble, hungry, and smart. There's so many opportunities here. I feel like you can come in with almost any skill set and really just flourish.
There's many different paths that you can take. Moving throughout the process of Assembler 1 to Senior to a Finalizer, that also opens up endless opportunities throughout the company.
I am proud to be in manufacturing because when they say, you know, made in the USA, that's us, right? That's what we do.
I love challenges. I feed off of challenges. And to be able to walk in and get your job done and walk away feeling accomplished is huge to me.